Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can make a fish tank air pump that can use with the power bank, and I will let you know what accessory that you need to get to help this pump. So now let's try to test it. We connect the air pump to the power bank and you can hear it. You can see now it produces the air pump to your fish tank. Okay, and all the accessory that you need to have is the motor air pump that have the voltage rate between 3 to 12 voltage DC. So that means you can use with the power bank. The USB output is about 5 voltage, so it's in between the rate of the motor air pump. And another thing, you need to have the USB cable like this, and we try to cut and connect it to the air pump. Okay, first of all, cut it out, and then create the 2 pin of it. Okay. Now you can brush it, connect to the red is for the plus and this one for the minus. Okay, now I try to sample connect it, and then you need to have this is your fish tank accessory that you can find out, and now connect to the power bank. Okay, so it's simple like this. So that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can create a fish tank air pump by yourself and accessory on the table as you can see. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope this video will one day help your fish when the electricity is cut off and you need the emergency air pump for your fish tank. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.